impressed with what I've seen at the brand new clinic so far, honestly. Being made to feel really welcome, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful clinic. It's got its own Starbucks. I was given a fresh coffee on arrival, which was pretty awesome, and very, very excited for the day.
Yeah, it's honestly the most stunning clinic I've ever seen. The fit out is beautiful. It's so clean and hygienic, which I love for this sort of treatment. And yeah, I'm very impressed so far.
All right, so I've just been told that they're going to check my scalp with a special type of camera in order to prepare me for my procedure today. So let's go check it out. Okay, so I've just been told they are examining the thickness and quality of my donor hairs to make sure that we've got suitable hairs for the transplant. So yeah, just looking at extreme close-up views of the donor areas at the moment. All right, now that part's done, it's time for the consultation. So the great news is, guys, that I just found out that I only have to have 15 days off the gym after this procedure, which, to be honest, was a lot less than I was expecting and was probably my main concern with the recovery. So really good news, and just excited to get this done and get back to a normal life with a full hairline. So I've just finished my consultation with the doctor. He was really great, made me really comfortable, double checked that I was happy with my hairline, which I most certainly am. So now they're preparing the operation room for me. So waiting to hear when I'm going to go through and looking forward to getting started. So here we are on our way to the operating room. I feel like I'm walking into a spaceship. It's looking pretty high tech. Pretty excited to check it out, get started. Okay guys, here we are. The magic's about to happen. I'll see you soon. So here I am on my way back to the clinic for my OxyCure and wash. I'm just leaving the Elite World Hotel, which honestly was probably the nicest hotel I've ever stayed in. So nice. I'm not in any pain at all, which is nice, and just looking forward to feeling fresh and starting the recovery process today. Just had my hair washed, very relaxing, quick procedure. Okay, so I'm off to get my OxyCure treatment in the hyperbaric chamber. I've just been told that this is the only one in the world that's right here in the hair transplant clinic. So super convenient. It's only for the patients and you just get to go in and get your pure oxygen treatment. So let's go check it out. Hey, good morning.
OxyCure.
Thanks so much. Glad to be here.
Okay, I'm Dr. Nogai, diving and hyperbaric medicine specialist.
Okay.
And today you will be breathing 100% oxygen in a hyperbaric chamber.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Come on.
So here I am in the hyperbaric chamber. The doctors just explained to me that I'll be breathing about 5 times higher oxygen concentration than is in the air normally. So pure oxygen, which is gonna reduce my inflammation and increase the rejuvenation and speed up the recovery process. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm an online fitness coach from Australia. It's something that's been in the back of my mind for a while. It runs in my family slowly. I can see the hairline starting to recede more and more and more, and I knew that it was only a matter of time before I had to do something about it. And yeah, really glad to find the opportunity to be able to get it fixed. Absolutely, I was provided with very detailed information. I was made to feel very comfortable as soon as I walked into the clinic. Everyone that I've dealt with in my time here was very clear about everything. And yeah, always made to feel very comfortable, very welcome, and understood what was going on. Well, yeah, my expectations were obviously to have the hair transplant done. I knew that it was all going to take place within the 2 days that I've been here, but I have to say it's all been quicker, more efficient, and more comfortable than what I was expecting. Yeah, the pre-surgery preparation and information, again, all very, very clear, detailed, plenty of people to explain what was going on. I had a really great interpreter with me the whole time, just to make sure I always felt comfortable and knew everything that was being said and explained to me. Surgical procedure itself, a beautiful, very high-tech operating room, great staff with me the whole day. To be honest, I was so comfortable, I actually slept through a bit of it, which was nice. And overall, the procedure itself was actually quicker than what I was expecting. Everyone I dealt with really seemed like they were very competent and knew what they were doing. Again, always explaining to me what they were doing at different times, and I could pretty much just sit back and let it all happen. They took me through everything I need to do for my aftercare. They've brought me back here today and given me some extra treatments to help with the recovery. And at this point in time, I'm feeling very pain-free and relaxed and really confident in the recovery. So as far as the anesthetic was concerned, it certainly worked because I felt nothing the whole time. Very, very pain-free process. Again, I was so relaxed that I fell asleep for some of it. So yeah, anesthetic definitely worked and felt very comfortable the whole day. So far, so good. Very satisfied with the results. Obviously now I can actually see the hairline, and honestly, over the moon with it. Very, very happy and excited to see how it looks when it all grows back. It's a beautiful new facility. Yeah, very, very impressed. Very clean, very hygienic. Couldn't be happier. I don't honestly think in Australia that we have anything like this that exists. I was expecting it to be quite nice, but it actually exceeded my expectations. This facility's really beautiful, high-tech, clean. Yeah, I don't think we've got anything like it back home. Perfect communication, the level of hospitality, friendliness, absolutely 10 out of 10. And again, had a really great translator with me the whole day. So most people spoke very good English to me directly, but even if they didn't, I always knew what was going on. Yeah, it's a very, very comprehensive service. You basically do it is a bit like a holiday. You show up, you're picked up from the airport in a nice van. Everything's communicated to you clearly. One place to another, you're taken to a really beautiful hotel. One of the nicest I've stayed in, if I'm honest. And you always know when you're going to be in each spot, and you're taken from place to place. It's perfect. 100%. Yeah, I would insist that this would be the best spot to come for sure. If you're looking at getting a hair transplant, first of all, I'd absolutely recommend to do it. It really makes you feel so much more confident knowing that you're going to have a full hairline, and 100% Vera Clinic is the place to do it. Everything's taken care of for you. It's a beautiful, brand new clinic. Everything's all in one. You stay at a beautiful 5-star hotel. The communication is 10 out of 10, and yeah, great experience overall.